Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Ameriprise step by step clearly. To connect with Ameriprise, start by visiting their official website. Locate the Contact Us section on the home page. Click on the link to access various contact options. Choose whether you prefer to reach out via phone, email, or live chat. If you opt for the phone, take note of their customer service number provided. Dial the number and follow the prompts to speak with a representative. If you prefer email, click on the email link and fill out the required form. Make sure to include your name, contact information, and a brief message regarding your inquiry. For live chat, click on the chat icon to initiate a conversation with a support agent. Be prepared with any relevant information regarding your Ameriprise account. Once connected, explain your situation or questions clearly. Listen to the representative and take notes if necessary. If your issue requires further assistance, ask for the best way to follow up. After your conversation, review any information or follow-up actions provided. For ongoing support, you may want to create an online account with Ameriprise. Return to the home page and select the option to log in or create an account. Follow the prompts to set up your online profile. Once established, you will have easy access to resources and support in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.